Hello friends! Today I'm showing you an easy, delicious slow cooker chicken meal. The chicken is so soft and full of the bone tender. You only need about 5 ingredients for this recipe. It's very simple, comforting, and perfect for those busy days. Let's get started. I have some chicken in my slow cooker. We're using a combination of chicken legs and bone-in chicken thighs for this recipe. We're going to season the chicken with salt and black pepper. Next, we're going to add a combination of barbecue sauce and garlic parmesan dressing to the chicken. These two sauces are really good together on chicken. You can find any brand of the garlic parmesan dressing at your local grocery store. Add some soy sauce and your favorite hot sauce. Mix everything together very well. Once everything is well mixed in, place the slow cooker lid on. Then let the chicken slow cook for 4 hours on high. Here is the chicken when it's all done slow cooking. You can enjoy the chicken as it is, but I like to transfer everything onto a baking sheet. Pour the sauce all over the chicken, then put the chicken under the broiler to give it a nice golden brown color. Only broil the chicken for about 3 to 5 minutes. Broiling the chicken gives it a nice color and it adds a little boost of flavor to it. The chicken came out so flavorful and full of the bone tender. There's so much delicious sauce to enjoy the chicken with. This slow cooker chicken recipe is best served with a baked sweet potato or some rice. The chicken is so soft and melt in your mouth tender. This is such an easy, comforting meal to make for this time of the year. All ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!